So I built this PC just over a year ago, and I used a cheap fan splitter because the motherboard didn't have enough fan ports for my two fans in the front, which meant I ran at full bore no matter what I did in the BIOS settings. So today I'm going to install this 4-port fan hub, the FH04 by Deepcool. Let's get into it. So first, let's unbox the fan controller. Here we go. Right, there we go. So it's quite small actually. Right, let's just see what the instruction manual says, because I've never installed a fan hub before, although I assume it's just very simple and straightforward. Right. Okay, now let's open the computer. Take off these aerials, I don't want to damage them. Take that off, I'll put on the seat. Then I'll take the back side panel off and put it on the seat. Now I'm going to need a screwdriver just to remove this GPU because it's in the way. And a bigger screwdriver. There we go. I just need to unplug my PCIe power connector and remove the GPU. Right, there we go. GPU is removed. So now I can unplug this stupid fan connector and unplug it from the fans themselves. Unplug that, unplug that, then remove it. There we are. Goodbye fan connector. Nice knowing you. Right, now let's pop this. I think I might just pop it down here or something because there's no space on the back. Or is there? Or is there? In fact, no, there isn't. So, I go there. Nope. I think it has to go here. Yeah. Yeah, there's no other option. It has to go there. Right. So, just gonna unplug the USB connector and the front panel connectors. Then can get rid of the dust and take this thing off. And now just put it, I think, like here or something. I don't know. That fits there, so it can go just there. Right, there we go. Fits there, so now I've got to bring over my fan connectors. Got the bottom one in there, into that slot, and the top one into that slot. Right, there we go. Now this can plug in to the motherboard. Right there. I'll just pop in the front panel connectors. It's just that, wasn't it? And then this can plug in there. Now if I go around here, yeah, those are just sitting in there nicely. So it's just that I need to use a cable tie and cable tie this. Right. Now let's just tie it. Then plug these back in. And then pop the GPU back in. And it goes. Right, here's my 8-pin power connector. Okay, so that looks alright. So now it can be powered up. I hope. Right, let's get a power cable. And let's see if it's quite so noisy. 3, 2, 1. So much quieter. Wow. That's made quite a difference. Okay. Alright, well it works. Oh, let's just put the side panels back on before I do my sign off. Alright. So to get this one on, I'm just going to need to go like this. And somehow jam the cables in there. This case is not great. Alright, let's try that now. There we go. Alright, that side panel's on. And now this side panel can go on. Okay, there we go. So there we go. It's finished. So thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.